the CNB Awards could happen, we had to also have our second jury meet. This time to select the best from the world of advertising, marketing and communications within the automobile industry. It's the category of awards that help reward and recognize the people behind the year's best products, and also the teams that have had to overcome big odds to make their products known. What we like to call the CNB AAA, because it combines the strengths of the car and bike show with our sister program All About Ads. The CNB AAA categories to pick the best television ads for 4 and 2-wheelers saw ad agency Lowe's Big Boss and award-winning filmmaker of blockbusters such as Chini Kam and Pa, R. Bulky. And we were thrilled to have him on the jury for the very first time.
Advertising is becoming quite a matter of debate, which is like we've just treated them as ads most of the time, and simply they're interesting or not. Wago is, of course, definitely has got a feature and it's really doing well too. But I think there are different problems in the two-wheeler market. I think if not that many of these ads are addressing any problems, they're just kind of basically like I used to say, cataloging ads. But it would be interesting to figure out in two-wheeler ads, because it takes more than an ad to sell a two-wheeler. You need to believe in the basic fundamentals of brand building, in the basic fundamentals of an idea, and keeping it interesting as the product you made.
Joining us again was international award-winning advertising creative Agnello Dias of Taproot Films India.
Advertising is one element in the mix of many that go into making a product a success. Therefore, to say something is successful only because of advertising or vice versa is not, you can never tell. Some of the worst advertised products have been very successful over the years. So what you generally try to take a call on, what POV takes a call on is, it doesn't seem like this product has failed because of the advertising, it must be something else. If it is a good ad. Or it doesn't seem like this product has succeeded because of the advertising, it must be something else. Okay, so that's a subjective point. But if it was a direct correlation, then yeah, we don't need to come here, we will tell you the sales figures, find out and give them the.
It's a large amount of what we call catalog advertising, so really well shot infomercials, because I think there's been less of brand building work and probably more commoditization and dissemination of information rather than actually any persuasive kind of idea.
We also had jury members that brought their experience in media planning and public relations, communication and market research to the table. Advisor and consultant to NDTV, Mr. Durab Supariwala, and the founder of Genesis Burston Mastella, Prema Sagar. They made judging the integrated and the PR and communication categories more comprehensive. Also on the jury, Shruti Varma Singh, consulting editor and anchor of NDTV Profits All About Ads, and of course NDTV's auto editor Siddharth Vinayak Patankar.
NDTV's cricket app, Android and iPhone, fastest scorecard, special analysis and much more. Download free. ndtv.com/apps.